What's happening, Tara? All good?
All good.
We're on our way.
I had a few moments at the start because it was quite rough, but now I'm eating ginger lumps.
But you're feeling good, don't you?
Yep.
You already had a little...
I had some hydrolytes, some food, and some ginger lumps.
And she's all good. And Cameron is in chill out mode. He's chomping away. And he's on some podcast or something. In his comfy chair. And of course the captain. Checking out the situation.
And off we go.
Looking all important.
Holding on.
And let's have a look outside. Haven't got full sail up yet, but once it dies down, we will. And got our Genoa out and cruising. Right under. Fully surfing the waves, eh? Watch this. Woo! How was your first day?
It was pleasant at the end and at the beginning. I took like 2 naps today. Very pleasant.
But you've eaten and you're not feeling bad, huh?
No.
Just when we came out the harbour it was a bit rough, but
Yeah.
awesome. Well, go have a sleep and we're just going to say goodbye to the sun over there
And New Zealand.
and settle in for the first night.
Our first night at sea was a pretty easy one, but we did notice overnight that the webbing on the clue of the Genoa was starting to come off. So as soon as we had some daylight, it was time to get that stitched back on. With lighter winds forecast for the night and the next day, we had beautiful sailing conditions. Sailing along with full sails up is pretty awesome, and our new and bigger mainsail makes such a difference in those lighter conditions with that extra sail area. All in all, we're pretty stoked with how all of that worked out. With the high pressure system building came some fresher trade winds, which meant we weren't sailing for too long with full sails up.
What else is happening, Captain Tara? What speed are we going? 7.4. And what's the wind angle?
75.
So that's our apparent wind angle.
You want true?
Life on an angle.
You want true or what?
Nah, that's fine. Our apparent wind angle will do. But it's comfortable, isn't it? Even though it's not any more behind us and we're slightly on an angle, we're pretty reefed down.
It's about to be 23 miles until I'm above 28.
What's that?
It's about to be 23 miles until above 28.
Whoop whoop. Making our way north slowly, eh? How's it going, Pete?
It's all good. Just about to get the speed changed and just got over halfway. The crew wants to get there, they're all over it already, but we're nearly there. Rock and roll to Fiji. Off we go.
One hungry teenager in the corner. And another hungry one. Making us food down there.
Sailing day in and day out with those strong trade winds created a bit of a swell running, so there was definitely a bit of a bumpy sea for us to make our way through. The last day of passage is always an exciting day, starting with the last sunrise at sea. After 6.5 days of sailing, we dropped anchor at the quarantine anchorage just outside Port Dinera, where we will be spending another 7 days to complete our total of 14 days of quarantine. If you enjoy following along, make sure you like and subscribe and join us in our next episode for a bit of sailing in Fiji and swimming with manta rays. Thanks for watching.